Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. I recently tried out the CuZn UC200 under-counter water filter, and I must say it's a game changer. If you're tired of tap water that tastes like chlorine and want to improve the quality of your drinking water, this filter is worth considering. What impressed me the most about the UC200 is its exceptional filter lifespan. While most filters need to be replaced every few months, this one lasts a whopping 5 years. However, it's important to note that when it's time for a replacement, you'll need to get an entirely new system. This might be a downside if you plan on staying in the same place for a long time, but if you're renting or frequently moving, it's actually quite convenient. Installation is a breeze with the UC200. It comes with just two components, the filter itself and a flexible stainless steel tubing. Connecting it to your existing water line is straightforward, and you'll have filtered water flowing from your kitchen sink faucet in no time. The system's compact design allows it to fit under any sink easily. The UC200 uses a 3-stage filter designed to deliver clean and great tasting water. The first stage is a microsediment membrane that removes large particles, improving water clarity and prolonging the lifespan of the subsequent filters. The second stage features a KDF55 filter made of copper and zinc granules, which effectively eliminates chlorine, heavy metals, and bacteria. Finally, the third stage employs a coconut shell carbon filter to eliminate any remaining unpleasant flavors and odors. In terms of performance, the UC200 is not fully certified by the NSF, but all of its components have the necessary certifications. Certification 42 ensures the removal of aesthetic impurities, including bad tastes and smells, while Certification 61 guarantees the absence of contaminants in the filter components. While it may not be the most comprehensive filter for removing a wide range of contaminants, it does an excellent job at improving water taste and clarity. The flow rate of the UC200 is impressive, offering a maximum rate of 2 gallons per minute. This is much higher than the average flow rate of most undersink water filters, which typically range from 0.5 to 0.75 gallons per minute. As long as you have decent water pressure, this system won't significantly impact your flow rate or pressure. Installation is a breeze, even for those with no DIY skills. The UC200 has fewer moving parts compared to other undersink filter systems, and the included braided metal tubing is both durable and easy to connect. The only potential difficulty arises if you don't have standard 3/8 pipes, as you'll need a converter to make the system fit. However, CuZn can provide the necessary components for conversion if you contact them before ordering. When it comes to filter replacement, it's worth noting that the UC200's filters last for 5 years. However, once they reach their lifespan, the entire system needs to be replaced. While this may not be ideal from an environmental standpoint, it's relatively hassle-free given the straightforward installation process. The build quality of the UC200 is excellent. The durable metal tubing and filter housing ensure longevity and reliable performance. Since it only consists of these two components, there's minimal risk of any defective parts compromising its functionality. CuZn offers a 90-day satisfaction guarantee for all their water filters, allowing you to return the UC200 within 3 months of purchase for a full refund if it doesn't meet your expectations. Additionally, the UC200 comes with a 5-year warranty. If there are any issues with the build quality or performance of the filter during its lifespan, CuZn will repair or replace it. To summarize, if you're primarily concerned about improving the taste and smell of your water, the CuZn UC200 filter is a great choice. It's easy to install, has an impressive filter lifespan, and delivers clean and clear water. However, if you're looking for a filter that offers comprehensive removal of a wide range of contaminants, you may need to consider a more expensive system with better certifications. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.